Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Future of Custom EVs. What you're looking at isn't just a Tesla, it's the TASLA. This stunning wide-body concept takes an already fast electric sedan and turns the dial to 11. Let's dive into the details. The first thing that grabs you is the color, a beautiful, bespoke cream or off-white finish, a sophisticated contrast to the typical black and white we see on the streets. But the real game changer is the wide-body kit. It completely redefines the car's stance. Up front, the entire bumper is reimagined. We have a massive, aggressive front splitter and air intakes, all finished in carbon fiber. This isn't just for looks, it's a statement about performance and improved downforce, giving it a much more menacing, track-ready look than any stock Tesla. The wide-body fenders perfectly house these striking, multi-spoke black wheels. The wider track enhances handling and gives the car that true supercar-level aggression. Notice how the custom bodywork flows seamlessly, suggesting a top-tier build quality, even for a concept. Remember, while the foundation is a high-performance Tesla model, the TASLA is a showcase of what extreme customization can achieve. It blends electric efficiency with a hypercar aesthetic. This is the ultimate example of pushing the limits of automotive design in the EV world. From the custom cream paint to the full carbon fiber aero package, the TASLA concept proves that electric cars are a blank canvas for serious enthusiasts. It's a blend of future tech and custom craftsmanship. What do you think of this look? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive car content. Thanks for watching.